state championship for our Topwater Kayak League.
First one on the board. Oh, that is cool, man. Got our limit. Good one. Look at that view. Isn't that why we do it? These are my favorite parts. Sun's rising, water's calm like glass. Whole day of fishing in front of you. Peace. I think this is why we do it. Good morning, everyone. Day 2, morning of Topwater State Championship here. Decided to switch it up. We're supposed to get a whole bunch of wind today, so instead of being on Mitchell, I decided to come on over to Cadillac, to kind of the east side of the lake here, because we're going to get a northeast wind. Hopefully that'll make it a lot easier and I don't have to fight the winds, because it's pretty rough yesterday and it's supposed to be even windier today. So wanted to change up here. It's a lot different lake, very deep lake, so see what we can get into today. Stay tuned. Let's go, yes. Come on. Keep them down, keep them down. Yes, baby. Woo! That's a freaking fish right there, baby. Woo! Let's get it. That is a fish right there. Yes. Holy cow, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, yes, that's a good one. Look at this, baby. Oh, yes. That's a good fish, man. Whew. Let's go. Oh, let's go. That's a good fish. Holy cow, man. Oh, that's a good fish, people. Oh, man. Let's go. Look at that, 20 inches, baby. Oh, yeah. That is a fish right there. Ooh, look at that. Let's go. Let's go. Well, that was amazing. That is a new PB for me. and man, it feels good. I was throwing white on basically everything, white jerk bait, white crankbait. Decided, you know what, I'm going to change everything up. Went to try to go towards like a perch color and bluegill color. This is bluegill chatterbait. Working this slow, letting it sink, counting to about 8 once I cast it, letting it sink, and then just slow work it and burn, slow work it and burn. And man, she hammered that thing. Oh, makes it all worth it for sure. Makes the trip worth it. Now let's see what else we can find. I'm going to retie here. Whenever you catch a good one, you want to retie. There we go. What do we got here? Oh, he tried to get away. Whew. There we go. That's another good one. Man, he hammered that. All right, that's a good one. Add to it. Let's get it.